right? Still have like over 1,000 miles left. 15 hours driving. It's currently 6:39 in the morning. It seems like we're in a little situation. Interstate 80 is closed right now. Road conditions are probably bad, and it's probably snowy / icy over there. Google Maps did give me an option to go around, but yeah, there's like semis all like this guy, and it's like all across down here on this shoulder. You can see like the lights back there, just a bunch. Yeah, man, I'm stuck right now. As you can see down there, that's Interstate 80. There's like roadblocks and all that shit going on, so it's closed. I slept in my car for the first time in Wyoming in a Walmart parking lot. First, it was just like trying to get comfortable on this, because it's like these seats aren't like the best, and they're just built kind of weird. It got super fucking cold and like dropped down to like I don't even know what it was, but like I woke up, my whole car was just like frozen, probably because of like condensation. I turned my car on and I forgot I locked it, but I figured out that the alarm works, so that's cool. Still kind of tired, but it's all good. I just looked up online and it said it's supposed to open in 7 to 9 hours. What the fuck do you mean 7 or 9 hours? Holy shit. Look at these motherfuckers. I'm at Love's right now. So, I might be fucked here, man. I'm not fucking sure what to do. We're at Love's, man. We're at Love's getting deep. Getting in love. Can you even see that? Look at that sunrise, though. That shit's kind of clean, bro. No, that's Nemo. So Google Maps just gave me a new fucking look on getting a different highway and shit like that. This fucking view right now. Oh, I can't see it. Hold on. Look at that mountain right there. See that? That's super fucking sick. Moo! I just took a sick photo. I think I'm gonna post it later on Instagram. Maybe pop up right here. Boom! Follow me on Instagram. Ah! I seen you snake a nigga you love. I seen the hate come. Seen Larry Hoover in the hood. I mean a fake one. Niggas in heaven having a gangsta party. Gangsta. See this right here, this a gangsta store. Gangsta. Alright. What up, vlog? Finally got some burpees lip bullshit. My lips were getting so fucking dry. It was getting really annoying. Bro, why are you playing so loud music, bro? So sick. Okay. Bro, you see these fucking mountains? Shit's crazy, bro. I had to pull over real quick because I'm like, I don't know where the fuck I'm going, so